my friends, welcome back. In this video, I thought it would be fun to try another tree ring technique, but using my split cup. I poured the colors into my split cup, and then I'm going to pour some tree ring puddles on the canvas. But first, I'm going to cover my canvas with two colors, blue and green. I kind of was thinking I would try for a grungy background. I'm not going to blend these colors necessarily. I want some of the green to show through if possible. After I filled my cup, I'm going to pour 3 puddles using the tree ring technique. I used a red, a yellow, and an orange to fill my cup. And I added some blue in between each puddle so that they don't touch. Now when I tilt my canvas, I am going to tilt up and down, not side to side if possible. I did speed this video up just a little bit. I am tilting slower than what this video is showing. Now, I think this is cool. I thought it would be fun to try some flowers on top of these tree ring pours because they look like wood pieces to me. So, I got out my balloon. I poured some puddles of color onto the canvas, and then I am pressing that balloon like stamping or smashing. Some people call it kissing. Just push the balloon down and bring it straight up. And then you can see how it's starting to look like a floral effect. I didn't necessarily like how this turned out, so I wanted to do the tree ring again. Added some more puddles on top of my existing tree rings. I do love layering with fluid art, and you'll see me do it a lot in my videos. I'll do a technique and I'm like, it's okay, but I'm gonna do it again. So I experiment and I just do it on top again. And look how cool it's even looking. A couple of the places I don't like, so those will be my flowers, and this is turning out to be better than that first time. I can see the balloon smash stamp kisses more defined with this. I just keep adding some colors and pressing. I don't necessarily wipe my balloon clean between each stamp. I'll maybe do 2 to 3 stamps, and sometimes more, and then I'll clean the balloon. It really depends on how muddy the colors start looking, and then I'll clean my balloon from the paint. I did allow the paint to rest a little bit in between my balloon smashes. I'll do some smashes or stamping on one side, and then I'll do it on the other. I'll let it rest and see how the paint is moving, because the paint will move and then that design will change. Now, as I keep going, I'm going to make sure my sides and edges are covered. Just add a little more brightness because it does look a little dark. And just keep going until I'm like, wow, this is cool. And it is, it's developing very well. I'm very excited. This almost reminds me of like a tropical luau piece. I kind of wanted it to be a bright summer piece, but that blue and the green, it really kind of just brings it into more tropical and luau type of effect. So here it is, a close-up of the piece, and I think it looks stunning. I do love how the flowers look a little darker, and the contrast with that wood grain effect in the middle looks very awesome. So let me know what you think about this piece and this technique in the comments of this video. I would love to hear your stories. Thank you for painting with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.